Next, we discuss a note of Poisson distribution. This is the discrete distribution, standard discrete distribution. One of the probability of I changes, probability of I changes or success. The probability of I changes or I success in the time t is the probability of I success or I changes in the time t is e to the power minus lambda t whole to the power I by I factorial e to the power minus lambda to the power I by I factorial, where I running from 0 1 to dot, where lambda is the number of average changes in the unit time, where lambda is the number of average changes in the in unit time. So probability of I success in the time t is the e to the power minus lambda t to the power I by I factorial, where I are running from 0 1 to dot, where lambda is the number of average changes in the unit time. Using these notes, now we solve this problem. There are 500 misprints in a book of 500 pages. There are 500 misprint in a book of 500 pages. What is the probability that a given page will contain at most 3 misprints? What is the probability that given page will contain at most 3 misprints? Okay, this is the problem. We will solve this problem using these notes. E to the power minus lambda t to the power I by I factorial I running from 0 1 to dot, where lambda is the average changes in the unit time and probability of I success, where probability of the I success in the time t. Using the notes, we will solve this problem. Solution. Taking the one misprint as unit of time taking one misprint as unit of time. Let lambda is the number of average changes in unit time. Here lambda is the number of average changes in unit time. So lambda is the number of average changes in unit time. So in this problem, lambda is the 500 misprint in a book of 500 pages. So here number is the average changes in unit of time. So here 1 is misprint as unit of time, and in the given problem 5 misprint in a book of 500 pages. So here lambda is the 500 by 500, since lambda is the average changes in the unit time. Here one misprint, we are taking one misprint as the unit of time. So 500 misprint of 500 pages. So lambda is the 500 to 500 means 1. Therefore lambda means 1 and t is 1 misprint means 1. So lambda is 1. Then the required probability is probability is contains probability at most 3 points, maximum 3 points. So probability is at most 3 points means maximum 3 points. So probability is x equal to 0, probability is x equal to 1 plus probability of x equal to 2 plus probability of x equal to 3. So probability is I running from at most 3 missprints. So I running from 0 to 3 e to the power minus lambda t, or lambda t to the power I into I factorial. Since at most 3 misprints, means maximum 3 misprints. So probability of x equal to 0. Probability of x equal to 0 means I equal to 0. Probability of I equal to 1. Probability of I equal to 2. Plus probability of I equal to 3. So we put this value lambda t I equal to 0 to 3 e to the power lambda t means e to the power minus 1 1 I by I factorial means I equal to 0 to 3 e to the power minus 1 to the power I means 1 by I factorial. We break it summation. I equal to 0 means e to the power minus 1 means 1 by e to the power minus 1 means 1 by e. If take I equal to 0 means 0 factorial means 1. If we put I equal to 1 means 1 by 1 factorial. If we put I equal to 2 means 1 by 2 factorial. If we put I equal to 3 means 1 by 3 factorial. So 1 by e means e to the power minus 1 means 1 by e means 1 plus 1 factorial means 1. So 1 by 1 factorial means 1. 1 by 2 factorial means 1 by 2. 1 by 3 factorial means 3 2 into 1. 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1. So 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6. After calculations we get 16 by 6 e means that is 8 by 3 e. This is the required result. Using these notes we get the required result of our problem. Okay, this is the required result.